Today, we're answering a common question. Is AC maintenance really necessary? First off, let's talk about efficiency. Regular maintenance keeps your AC running smoothly. Dirty filters and clogged coils can make your unit work harder, which means higher energy bills for you. In fact, a well-maintained AC unit can save you up to 15% on your energy bills annually. Next, let's consider longevity. Just like a car, your AC unit needs regular checkups to stay in top shape. Skipping maintenance can lead to major issues down the line, shortening the lifespan of your unit. On average, regular maintenance can extend the life of your AC system by several years. So imagine not having to replace your unit as often. But it's not just about saving money. Regular maintenance also improves air quality. Dirty filters and coils can circulate dust, mold, and allergens throughout your home. Clean filters mean cleaner air for you and your family, which is especially important for those with allergies or respiratory issues. So what does AC maintenance involve? A professional technician will check refrigerant levels, clean the coils, replace or clean the filters, and ensure everything is running efficiently. Regular checkups can catch small problems before they become big, expensive repairs. So to sum it up, AC maintenance is definitely necessary. It saves you money, extends the life of your unit, and keeps the air in your home clean. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on keeping your home comfortable all year round. We'll see you next time.